Good day, Chino Valley educators. This short video is to show you quickly how to add the Microsoft Whiteboard app to your PC. It is also available for iOS, and I will include a mention about that at the end of this video. I'm inside the Microsoft Whiteboard, and there are going to be other short videos that will feature the toolbar, but just to remind you, there is an inking mode where you have a bunch of tools, and if I tap on done inking, there is text and sticky notes and images and a really cool menu of templates and ways to add PDFs and documents. So to add this whiteboard program to your computer and then later use it during your virtual meetings, you'll first have to look down at the bottom of your computer's monitor and see the taskbar. This black ribbon is a taskbar. In your taskbar, see if you have this little icon right here. When I float over it, I can see it's called the Windows Ink Workspace. And it looks like a little pen with a squiggle. You might not have it, but you may add that really easily by right-clicking while your mouse is hovering over the taskbar and then clicking on Show Windows Ink Workspace button. I'm going to unclick mine, and you'll see that that icon of mine with the pen with the squiggle has disappeared, but I can add it back just like this. Once I've got this icon, I can add the Microsoft Whiteboard. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so to add the Microsoft Whiteboard, if I click on the pen with a squiggle, I'm offered two different things. One is the whiteboard, which is where we're headed, and the other one is called Full Screen Snip, which will allow you to take screenshots really easily and quickly. When you tap on Whiteboard, it's going to install, and when it's done installing, it's going to ask you to log in, and you will be logging in with your work account, so that this whole experience will sync with your work account and save to your whiteboard, or invite students that are a part of your experience in the district. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And while yours might look slightly different, it's going to ask you to sign in. I'm going to click on sign in just as a reminder. Sign in with a work or school organization account, not your personal account. A few months ago, when this is a new product, they only wanted to use personal accounts. So at this time, it will go ahead and accept work accounts, and it will sync with your work account. Now, I've already logged in one time, so I've got this account already linked to it, but you will have to enter your full email and network password. Hit continue, and you are going to be taken into the Microsoft Whiteboard. Here we are. I can see my account, which account I'm logged into if I ever wonder, and we'll have a tour of this at another time. Now this, like I said, syncs with your Microsoft account, so let me just show you what I mean by that. Okay, what I mean by that is when you go into Office 365, which I have already done right here, and if you want to use the whiteboard in this experience, if you want to use it online, or perhaps you want to copy or email it to anybody, to add this tile to Office 365, click on All Apps, and then click on Whiteboard, and it will add that tile to your experience, to your landing page. This here is a list of all the whiteboards that I've worked on just recently. It automatically syncs with the version that I access through my taskbar, but then it they automatically show up here so I can continue to use them. So if for any reason the taskbar version, the app, isn't working for you, you're having a hard time with it, you actually have two places where you can access the whiteboards or create new whiteboards. Just one quick warning, when you get to it through the Office 365 dashboard, the toolbar is super simple. This is the only toolbar you get with the Office 365 access. So please watch additional videos to find more about those toolbars.